So here are 100 pieces of information about laptops. 1. A laptop is a portable computer designed for mobile use. 2. The term, laptop, originated from the idea of being able to use the computer on one's lap. 3. Laptops are also commonly referred to as notebook computers. 4. The first laptop computer, the Osborne 1, was introduced in 1981. 5. Laptops come in various sizes, ranging from compact ultrabooks to larger gaming laptops. 6. The main components of a laptop include the display screen, keyboard, touchpad or trackpad, internal hardware, and battery. 7. Laptops typically run on operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. 8. The processing power of a laptop is determined by its CPU, Central Processing Unit. 9. RAM, random access memory, is used by a laptop to temporarily store data and program instructions for quick access. 10. Storage options in laptops include hard disk drives, HDDs, and solid-state drives, SSDs. 11. Laptops with SSDs offer faster data transfer speeds and better overall performance compared to those with HDDs. 12. Graphics processing in laptops is handled by either integrated graphics or dedicated graphics cards, GPUs. 13. Integrated graphics are part of the CPU and are suitable for basic computing tasks, while dedicated GPUs are more powerful and are preferred for gaming and multimedia applications. 14. Laptops may have various ports for connecting external devices, such as USB ports, HDMI ports, Ethernet ports, and headphone jacks. 15. Many modern laptops feature wireless connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. 16. Battery life varies depending on factors such as screen brightness, CPU usage, and battery capacity. 17. The average battery life of a laptop ranges from 6 to 12 hours on a single charge. 18. Laptops can be powered by different types of batteries, including lithium-ion and lithium polymer batteries. 19. Laptops are commonly used for a wide range of tasks, including web browsing, word processing, multimedia playback, gaming, and professional work. 20. The size and weight of a laptop are important considerations for portability and ease of use. 21. The screen resolution of a laptop determines the clarity and sharpness of the display. 22. Common screen resolutions for laptops include HD 1366x768, Full HD 1920x1080, and 4K 3840x2160. 23. Touchscreen displays are available on some laptops, allowing users to interact with the screen using touch gestures. 24. Convertible or 2-in-1 laptops feature a hinge design that allows the screen to be rotated or detached, transforming the device into a tablet. 25. Laptops with detachable keyboards are known as detachable laptops or detachables. 26. Laptops can be customized with different hardware configurations to suit individual needs and preferences. 27. The price of a laptop varies depending on factors such as brand, specifications, and features. 28. Some popular laptop brands include Apple, MacBook, Dell, HP, Hewlett-Packard, Lenovo, Asus, Acer, and Microsoft Surface. 29. Gaming laptops are specially designed for gaming enthusiasts and feature high-performance hardware components. 30. Business laptops are optimized for productivity and may include security features such as fingerprint readers and TPM, Trusted Platform Module, chips. 31. Chromebooks are laptops that run on Google's Chrome OS operating system and are designed for web-based applications and cloud computing. 32. Ultrabooks are a category of thin and lightweight laptops that prioritize portability and battery life. 33. Rugged laptops are built to withstand harsh environmental conditions and are often used in industrial or outdoor settings. 34. Laptops can be categorized based on screen size, such as 11-inch, 13-inch, 15-inch, and 17-inch models. 35. Laptops with high refresh rate displays are preferred by gamers for smoother gameplay. 36. Some laptops feature backlit keyboards, which illuminate the keys for improved visibility in low-light environments. 37. Laptops with biometric authentication features, such as fingerprint scanners and facial recognition, offer enhanced security. 38. Cooling systems are essential in laptops to prevent overheating and maintain optimal performance. 39. Laptop keyboards may vary in layout and key size depending on the region and language. 40. Laptop batteries degrade over time and may need to be replaced after a few years of use. 41. Laptops can be connected to external monitors for multi-display setups, increasing productivity and screen real estate. 42. External peripherals such as mice, keyboards, and speakers can enhance the usability and functionality of a laptop. 43. Docking stations allow laptops to be easily connected to multiple peripherals and external displays with a single cable. 44. Laptops equipped with Thunderbolt ports offer high-speed data transfer and support for external GPUs and displays. 45. Laptops with HDMI outputs can be connected to TVs and projectors for presentations and multimedia playback. 46. USB-C ports on laptops support versatile connectivity and can be used for data transfer, charging, and video output. 47. Some laptops feature dedicated media keys or function keys for controlling volume, playback, and screen brightness. 48. Laptops may include built-in webcams and microphones for video conferencing and online communication. 49. Privacy features such as webcam covers and physical camera shutters protect users' privacy from unauthorized access. 50. Laptop screens may have matte or glossy finishes, each with its advantages and disadvantages in terms of glare and reflection. 51. Laptops with OLED, organic light-emitting diode, displays offer vibrant colors, deep blacks, and high contrast ratios. 52. Laptops equipped with NVIDIA G-Sync or AMD FreeSync technology synchronize the display refresh rate with the GPU for smoother gaming performance. 53. Laptops with high-quality speakers and audio technology deliver immersive sound for multimedia consumption and gaming. 54. Laptop touchpads support multi-touch gestures for navigation, scrolling, and zooming. 55. Some laptops include dedicated physical buttons or fingerprint sensors on the touchpad for added functionality and security. 56. Laptops can be configured with different keyboard layouts, such as QWERTY, AZERTY, and Quartz, depending on regional preferences. 57. Laptops with customizable RGB lighting allow users to personalize the appearance of the keyboard and other components. 58. Laptops with high-resolution webcams and advanced noise-canceling microphones are ideal for remote work and virtual meetings. 59. Laptops with two-factor authentication support offer an extra layer of security by requiring both a password and a physical token or biometric scan. 60. Laptops with AMD Ryzen processors offer competitive performance and efficiency compared to Intel-based laptops. 61. Laptops with Intel Evo certification meet stringent performance, battery life, and responsiveness criteria for premium user experience. 62. Laptops with NVIDIA Studio certification are optimized for creative applications such as photo and video editing, graphic design, and 3D rendering. 63. Laptops with MIL STD810G certification undergo rigorous testing for durability and reliability in challenging environments. 64. Laptops with 4G LTE or 5G connectivity provide fast and reliable internet access without relying on Wi-Fi networks. 65. Laptops with Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax support offer improved wireless performance, range, and reliability compared to previous Wi-Fi standards. 66. Laptops with Windows Hello facial recognition technology allow users to log in securely without entering a password. 67. Laptops with eSIM technology allow users to connect to cellular networks without the need for physical SIM cards, offering greater flexibility and convenience for mobile connectivity. 68. Laptops with anti-glare displays reduce reflections and eye strain, making them ideal for outdoor use in bright environments. 69. Laptops with 360-degree hinges can be rotated to convert into different modes, such as tent, stand, and tablet mode. 70. Laptops with long battery life are essential for users who need to work or travel without access to power outlets for extended periods. 71. Laptops with fast charging technology allow the battery to be quickly replenished, minimizing downtime. 72. Laptops with low blue light displays reduce the emission of blue light, which can help reduce eye fatigue and improve sleep quality. 73. Laptops with silent cooling systems produce minimal noise, making them suitable for quiet environments such as libraries and offices. 74. Laptops with AI-powered features can optimize performance, battery life, and connectivity based on usage patterns and user preferences. 75. Laptops with environmental certifications such as Energy Star and EPEAT are designed to minimize energy consumption and environmental impact. 76. Laptops with spill-resistant keyboards are equipped with special drainage channels to protect internal components from liquid damage. 77. Laptops with magnesium alloy or carbon fiber chassis offer a combination of durability and lightweight construction. 78. Laptops with adaptive brightness sensors adjust the screen brightness based on ambient lighting conditions to optimize visibility and battery life. 79. Laptops with HDR, high dynamic range, displays offer enhanced color accuracy, contrast, and brightness for immersive multimedia experiences. 80. Laptops with biodegradable or recyclable materials in their construction contribute to reducing electronic waste and environmental footprint. 81. Laptops with privacy filters or screen protectors prevent unauthorized viewing of the screen from side angles, enhancing privacy in public spaces. 82. Laptops with hybrid storage solutions combine the speed of SSDs with the high capacity of HDDs for optimal performance and storage capacity. 83. Laptops with TPM, Trusted Platform Module, chips provide hardware-based encryption and secure storage for sensitive data and credentials. 84. Laptops with adaptive battery technology optimize charging patterns to extend battery lifespan and maintain performance over time. 85. Laptops with instant wake capabilities resume from sleep or hibernation modes quickly, allowing users to get back to work without delay. 86. Laptops with software-defined networking (SDN) features prioritize network traffic for critical applications and improve overall network performance. 87. Laptops with ruggedized construction and shock-resistant components withstand drops, bumps, and vibrations, ensuring reliable operation in challenging environments. 88. Laptops with infrared cameras enable facial recognition authentication and support Windows Hello biometric login for enhanced security. 89. Laptops with dual-array microphones and noise-canceling technology deliver clear audio quality for voice calls, conferences, and virtual meetings. 90. Laptops with virtualization support allow users to run multiple operating systems or isolated environments for testing, development, and security purposes. 91. Laptops with customizable shortcut keys or programmable buttons streamline workflow and increase productivity for specific tasks or applications. 92. Laptops with hardware-based webcam covers or shutters provide physical privacy protection against unauthorized camera access or hacking attempts. 93. Laptops with integrated LTE or 5G connectivity enable seamless internet access without relying on Wi-Fi hotspots or tethered mobile devices. 94. Laptops with dual-mode touchscreens support both pen input and touch gestures, providing versatile interaction for creativity and productivity. 95. Laptops with wireless projection technology allow screen mirroring or streaming to compatible displays and projectors for presentations and collaboration. 96. Laptops with modular expansion options or external GPU docks provide flexibility for upgrading or expanding system capabilities over time. 97. Laptops with cloud-based management software simplify device provisioning, security updates, and remote troubleshooting for IT administrators. 98. Laptops with adaptive cooling systems dynamically adjust fan speeds and airflow to maintain optimal temperatures and prevent thermal throttling. 99. Laptops with built-in privacy features such as webcam indicators or microphone mute buttons give users control over their privacy settings and data security. 100. Laptops with voice assistants such as Cortana or Alexa offer hands-free control and voice-activated commands for tasks, reminders, and information retrieval. These additional facts should provide a comprehensive overview of various aspects and features of laptops. If you have any specific questions or need further information about any of these topics, feel free to ask.